In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and manage your social media in Constant Contact. If you're looking to streamline your social media efforts, this is the perfect place to start. We'll walk through each part of the process with step-by-step guidance, ensuring you not only understand how to connect your accounts, but also how to efficiently manage your posts once you're all set up. First, let's begin by navigating to the appropriate spot within your Constant Contact account. Go ahead and log into your account, and then look towards the top of the dashboard where you'll see various options. Click on the marketing channels. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is select the social tab. This is where you'll manage all your social media activities from here on out. After you're in the social tab, your next move is to click on accounts. This is where you can set up connections to various social media platforms. Now take a look at the selection of social media platforms available. You'll see Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn listed. Pick the platforms that are part of your social media strategy and that you wish to connect here. With your platform selected, you'll then need to follow the on-screen prompts to log in. Enter your credentials and be sure to grant Constant Contact the necessary permissions to access your accounts. This is a key step because it allows Constant Contact to interact with your social media accounts on your behalf. Once access is granted, it's time to refine which specific accounts within those platforms you want to connect. For instance, maybe you want a particular Facebook page or Instagram business profile linked. You can choose those profiles at this stage. Keep in mind, Instagram business profiles must be linked to a Facebook page in order to be connected to Constant Contact, so double check that setup if you haven't already. Now that your accounts are connected, let's talk about creating and managing posts. Start by clicking on the Posts tab within the social section. When you're ready to share content, click on Create a Post. This tool allows you to select which connected accounts you'd like to post to, so take a moment to decide where your content should appear. With the accounts chosen, it's time to draft your post. This is where creativity comes into play. Craft your message, attach any images or videos that enhance your message, and remember to optimize your posts for each platform. Different social media channels have unique audiences and styles, so a little customization goes a long way. Finally, decide when your post should go live. You have the flexibility to schedule it for a later time or to post it immediately if timely engagement is what you're after. This feature is incredibly useful for planning and ensuring consistent social media activity without the stress of real-time posting. And there you have it. You now have a clear pathway to connecting your social media platforms to Constant Contact and managing your social media strategy seamlessly. With consistent practice, you'll find that this enhances your digital marketing efforts and engagement significantly. Thank you for watching and happy posting.